Good afternoon, great people of YouTube. Good evening, actually. Good evening, great people of YouTube. My name is SIR-MuCOT Timothy. Actually, this is my first video in YouTube, and I want to use this first video for my introductions. Like I said, I am called SIR-MuCOT Timothy, a young aspirant in mathematics, currently a student at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. I'm a Nigerian in Anambra State, continent of course is Africa. Though my English is not that good, but I believe you will understand what I say when I say them. I believe there are many professors and many doctors outside there watching this YouTube video now. I'm a young aspirant of mathematics, and I believe one day I will stand out to defend mathematics. I don't know where, I can't tell when. But I believe one day I will stand out to defend mathematics or to give a talk or a seminar in mathematics. What I'm pleading with each and everybody now, high-level mathematicians, both mathematicians, professors in mathematics, to give me a thumbs up where I'm correct, to correct me where I'm wrong, and to encourage me. You know, sometimes it's not easy. I find mathematics very, very interesting when I solve them and get the answer, but very annoying when I solve, then still can't get the answer. You know, sometimes when you solve and don't get answers in mathematics, you feel as if mathematics is not what you came in this world to do. Actually, I want to tell each and everybody watching this YouTube video now that mathematics is everything we do in our life, in our daily life. Mathematics is everything you do. When you go out there and come back, mathematics is what you do, because maybe you might have calculated the distance and the time taken for you to walk out from here to wherever you want, to your destination. Yes. So mathematics is everything we do. Like I said from my first video, in my first video, just introductions. So please, I beg each and everybody to like and comment, and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to use this YouTube platform to share my knowledge in mathematics with YouTube watchers. Correct me where I'm wrong. I am open to corrections. Thumbs up when I'm correct. You can also dislike. It will encourage me to do more. And before I go, I want to give one or two things. We know that 2 times 2 actually gives 4. But I want to show us something now, that 2 times 2 can actually give us 3. How? You can do some manipulations. You can manipulate some things to work out for you. That's what we know. Okay, board mass. I know that 2 times 2. I know that 1 plus 1 can give me 2. 1 plus 1 can give me 2, right? So now that means that this 2 actually is what 1 plus 1, and this 2 actually here is 1 plus 1, right? To give me 3. I don't know where I'm heading to, but I believe it will give me what I want. Now, this bracket, what if this bracket is not here? We have 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 to give us 3, right? Yes. And we can see addition and what? Multiplication. When we see addition and multiplication, we know that multiplication comes first. So now we can actually do 1 plus 1 times 1 gives us what? 1 plus 1 to give us 3. And if this is equals to this, okay, this now is equal, if this is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 3, meaning that this also is what? 3 is equals to 3. Now, watch something here. This might actually be crazy, but I want to say something about this. everybody knows that 2 times 2 is 4, but 2 times 2 can actually give you what? 3. Yes. Most of us human beings like following the already known process of doing things. Maybe a young boy growing up in a, shall I say, in a treated way. A young boy growing up with good manners. Most of us might like following already known process of, let me say, making money. Maybe he or she doesn't have a good background and end up in learning a skill. For example, learning how to sew clothes, that is a tailor. Now, many of us now, after learning how to sew the clothes, the person will now start looking for what? Maybe customers to be sewing clothes for. That is this process. The already known what? Process. But actually, there's still another process. There's still another method. There's still another way you can make money. There's still another way you can make money, but you are not a tailor. There's this friend of mine. He's not a tailor, but each and every time you see him, he will hang on his neck tape, measuring tape that tailors used to put on. Now he will meet people telling them that he makes what? Clothes. He sews clothes. They will tell him, they will give him clothes and give him the design of clothes they would like him to sew for them. So this guy, when he brings the clothes, he will just rush to one tailor that is very close, give him the style, give him the material, tell him when he was going to come and get the clothes from him. So maybe 2, 3, or 4 days, he will come back and get the clothes. Now, getting the clothes, he will go and present the clothes to the man. Do you see now? The man will not be thinking that he is the one that made the clothes, while the person that made the clothes is at his shop. And this is another way. The guy has created another way of making money without being a tailor, but answering what? A tailor. That is this other way. So YouTube people, what I'm telling us today is there are many manipulations, there are many things you can actually do with mathematics, many amazing things, many crazy things. That is why actually you can't, somebody might say 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. This is true, but not always true. Yes, not always. No, this is not what I mean. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. This is true, but not always what? True. Because there are some cases where this will not be true. Just like modulus and base 2. We know that it's not always true. So, thank you for watching this. Like, subscribe, and comment. Like I said, I still remain SIR-MuCOT. Thank you.